Page 85, the key of D minor. I've already been talking about D minor. It's no big deal. Now we get a piece in D minor where you can kind of do your warm-up. We've had the same pattern in all the others before. Remember, D minor is one sharp. It's relative to F major. We're going to use harmonic minor, which means we're going to have C sharps. Yeah, that's all right. I got scales and videos on that. Don't do what I say in those for F major and D minor both. I always do it by key signature. Let's talk the primary chords for D minor. Did we already do D minor primary chords? I don't know. I can't remember, but just in case. D minor, the one chord is the D chord, of course. I'll come down here. The 4 chord, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, there's a B flat in D minor. Then the 5 chord is here, but we're going to use C sharps because we use harmonic minor. And then the 7, C7, add 1. Or it's an A7 chord. So those are the primary chords, the 1, 4, and the 5. The 1, the 4, and the 5, or 5, 7. And then we rearrange them so we use close position. We're not moving around. It's the same pattern. Start here, and the 4 chord, the top 2 notes in the chord go up one note in the key. So this goes to here, and this goes to here. And you can figure that this way if you don't want to be here. The point is we're doing that. It's the same as we've all done. 1, 4, 1. Then for the 5, 7, you take the top 2 notes in the position, and the bottom note goes down a half step. That's it. So the 1, 4, 1, 5, 7. So it's the same pattern as all of them. So you do this D minor thingamajigger. I'm going to do this stuff at the bottom, and you can play along. Be sure and repeat it. I'm not going to take it up full speed and all that, but you can do it. And remember, the sharp signs in the first couple of measures or so are colored because they want you, the first time you play it, they want you to leave them out. You play natural minor here, and then when you repeat it, then you put them in and play harmonic minor. Well, that's fine. I don't care. Whichever. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, and go, and.